Okay, so to perform a bulk action on your contact database, such as a mass one-time email or a mass one-time SMS message, go ahead and log into your account. And once you're on your dashboard, click on the Contacts tab in the sidebar. This is going to bring up the contacts database. And now we have all of our bulk actions here in the top bar, such as adding them to an automation, send them a text, an email, and much more. To send a bulk action, go ahead and click on the contacts that you want to send a bulk action to, or mass select all your contacts by clicking on the tick box at the top here. In this case, we're going to select 2 contacts to send them an email. So we've got our contact selected, go ahead and click on send email, and now it's going to open up a box saying, are we sure that we want to send them an email? Now we're going to click OK, proceed. Now it's going to ask us to populate the email of what we want the email to say. So we're going to go ahead and fill this in, and then we're going to get ready to send it. Okay, so once you've filled in the message that you want to send, whether that's SMS or email, or you wanted to select from a list of templates, if you have them created and available, you can do so here. However, in this case, we're going to do a custom message. And we can see here, this is from James. The subject line is test, and the message in the email is test123. So we have an option now to send all at once, send all at a scheduled time, or send in drip mode. So we can send them all at a scheduled time here, or we can send them in a drip mode where we send 1 email or 2 emails every 2 minutes, every 2 days, every 2 hours, however we want to set that up. In this case, we're going to do send all at once. We can also name the action here, which we're going to name as test. And then we're going to click send email. This is then going to send the emails and give us a confirmation to say it's been scheduled, and we can click here to check the progress. So let's click that. Here now it's going to open up our activity log where we can see our bulk email test has been complete and it's been sent to our contacts. So if we go back to our contacts database by clicking on contacts in the sidebar and then clicking on the contact of what we sent the bulk action to. So if we go ahead and click on view details, you're going to see that this has been processed as soon as possible and that these messages have been sent to these users. To view these messages, if you click back to contacts and go back to your contact database and then click on the contact that you sent it to, you'll see a preview of that message inside that contacts communications tab. And so that is how you perform bulk actions within your contact database on the platform.